Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our Palavi Trader Crypto Koto channel. So we have a new tokens again that we're going to discuss. The token is called ICKY and this token is launching in Probit Global. So we have a limited time launchpad event. So we have two major events for this token under the Izakaya. The first one is it's going to happen by November 24 to December 1st, 2025 at trading competition. So there will be a 40,000 IZKY token as a prize pool. So if you're good in trading, so you can take advantage of this, and of course we will get the free tokens if we get the prices. So there are certain guidelines for this, so I will going to discuss to you the details. And the one that's currently going on is the 42,000 same price pool IZKY airdrop. So this one is a free token. So just join, follow the simple instructions, and you will get some of the airdrop tokens. So it's very exciting, this new token, because I've checked the token. It's just newly launched in Probit Global. So you can see here, currently the price is going up. So around 16%. So it's a good opportunity. We can still get hold of this token while it's still on the very early stages. So this token has a website, izakaya.tech. So it has major features we're going to discuss, but the main features, you can use it as a wallet, and you can use it to lend. You will earn interest up to 12% if you want to lend your cryptos, and you can swap cryptos here also. So I tried the platform, so I can show you later how it looks like. Okay, so that's our main topic for today. So we're going to discuss about Izakaya and its IZKY token on Probit Global. Okay. So welcome back guys to our channel. As I mentioned to you, when you go here in Probit Global, so we have these upcoming events for IZKY token. So the first one, as I mentioned to you, is the airdrop. This one is up to November 24. We have 42,000 IZKY tokens that is being given away, so take advantage of this time. And then the trading competition, which is around 40,000 token IZKY price pool also. So before we go to the criterias how we get these tokens, so please don't forget to subscribe first to our Palavi Trader Crypto Koto channel, so you will get informed if we have events like this in Probit Global. So we've been doing some reviews of their tokens. So last time we bought some of their tokens as well. But as part of our disclaimer, conduct your due diligence first before buying any of these tokens. Make sure you know the token very well before going to buy. To learn about more the details, you can go first to Probit Global. So you do the sign up, and it's very easy to sign up. You can use your Google accounts, then just connect to the probit.com website. Then you will be given access and user ID already. So to know the events that's coming on, you can click on this launchpad events, or you can go straight ahead with the links that we're going to provide. So let's check first what's on the details of the IZKY airdrop token. So because they have two main events for this one. So this one is started already from November 17 until November 24. So they have very simple instructions here. You can just join, follow Probit Global and Izakaya, and then tweet messages. Don't forget to tag 3 friends. Check out Izakaya Global at Probit Exchange, and then follow the Probit Global and Izakaya on Telegrams, and then fill out the forms. So once you do all the requirements here, then I think you will be eligible for the airdrop. So how much you can get, so it depends on the organizers of these events and the terms and conditions that they have put here. So better read all the terms and conditions you can see on the Probit Global platform. Okay, so the next event that's gonna happen by November 24 to December 1st is the trading competition. So as I mentioned, if you're very good at trading, so you can join this event. So 42,000 token is a lot also for this ICQY. So the current price is 0.0001037. So as I mentioned to you also, so the token is now trading in Probit. So you can see the price action here if you're really interested on trading the tokens. So we go back to this trading event. So for the eligibility, you need a minimum of 1,000 Prob token. So you need to buy Probit token and then stake in order to be eligible for this event. And stake probe can't be decreased during the competition duration. So you can click on this link, probit.com stake probe, and then we have the staking guidelines. So don't forget to read the requirements there. So here are the prices you can get. So if they will select, so trading competition will be held for the ICQY USDC. So you can only trade this to join the event. And a total of 42,000 ICQY will be distributed to the top 30 bullion traders in this order. So those top 30, so the first place will get 4,200 ICQY, second place 3,700, third place 3,300, fourth place 2,900, fifth place 2,520, and so you will get tokens up to the 30th place up to 630 ICQY. So you can earn lower trading fees by staking the Probe token. So advantage of using the Probe token, and then the terms and conditions. So you better read this first before you join the event, so you know that you will be entitled for the promotion. So minimum 1,000 Probe must be staked, and then your search stake Probe must be maintained according to the date duration of the events. And then trading competition are determined according to the total traded volume converted to USDT. Okay, so rewards will be distributed to Probit Global Wallets within 2 weeks after the end of the trading competition. Okay, so you need to double check these two major events now for our ICQY. If you don't know where to go, you can check our link description. Okay, so now we go a bit, we try to learn more a bit this ICQY token. So based from their explanation, the ICQY is the native token for the Izakaya ecosystem, a crypto asset platform designed to simplify the way you manage, swap, and lend digital assets. So it has 3 uses: unified wallet, built-in swap function, and crypto lending features. So you can earn also if you lend your crypto tokens. So the total supply is 1 trillion ICQY. So the maximum supply is fixed, but the circulating supply, they never disclose that one. So these events are hosted on Probit Global, so you can take only these events on probit.com. And take note of the end dates of the event. So airdrop round 2 is up to November 24, and the trading competition is up to December 1st. Okay, so check this one. And when we go to their website, so you can see here the Izakaya.tech website, you can earn up to 12% if you lend your tokens. So that's a part of the lending. So you can lend any tokens. For example, you have Bitcoin here. So you just select how many days you're gonna lend the token. For swapping purposes, so it's just a normal exchange platform like PancakeSwap. So you could exchange your cryptos if you need another types of token. So they have the lowest fees. And then the other one is you can check the differences between Izakaya and other forms of crypto asset wallets. So it has most of the advantages: immediate remittance, the yield. So Japanese support. So this one is Japanese based. No KYC, and then no travel rules. Okay, so you can grow, because you can put your tokens here, you can grow your portfolio also. Take advantage of those activities. So I tried to sign up here, and this is what you will see when you sign up. So you have here your page details. You can receive tokens using this platform as your own wallet. So if you want to send Bitcoin here, you can send using your own QR code. And then when you want to swap, click the swap button, and then you will see you can, if you have balance, you can send or you can swap your token. If you want to lend, you can click the earn page, and then you can do lending for your cryptos. So those are the basic things you can get from the Izakaya ecosystem. So you can use it as a wallet, you can use to lend, and then you can swap cryptos. But for now, the events that we have discussed is if you want to join, check the details here at probit.com for the airdrop and then for the trading competition. Okay, so hopefully you get some ideas about this IZKY token and their upcoming events. So for any questions, you can put on the comment section. If we have answer, we're going to answer. And for the links, go to the for the details of our videos. And as usual, do your own diligence. Join our crypto channel so you will be updated on whatever news we have for the tokens that we are discussing right now. Okay, so that's all for now. Hopefully, I give you a idea for these new token events for IZKY, Izakaya ecosystem under the Probit platform. So that's all for now. See you again in our next crypto vlog.